Hi, I'm Jill. I work in the programming department for the Indianapolis Public Library, and I'm at Central Library, getting ready for our annual event, Meet an Author, Be an Author. What this event is a day full of support and connection around local books. So there's a local author book fair where over 40 local authors will be selling their books, sharing information, connecting with you and each other. We also have readings from those local authors, so they'll be giving 5-minute readings from their works. So say you're interested in children's literature, you can bring your kiddos and hear from several authors at once, or you might be interested in fiction and you can come in and hear from a variety of different authors and subjects. We'll have 9 workshops throughout the day, everything from self-publishing to things like a panel discussion on the impact of AI. So come down to Central Library on October 19th. Our event starts at 10:30 with the local author book fair. There's going to be fiction and nonfiction, memoirs, children's literature, poetry, graphic novels. There's a little something for everyone. Whether you're a reader or a writer, you're going to leave excited and fulfilled.